Welcome back. This is a tutorial on parsing books from Gutenberg Spiegel, and this is an easy way how to get them in our environment. Let's show how it works. So here's everything. Go for example for Nietzsche. Here, and then Fröhlichen Wissenschaften. So there's a first page, second, it looks like this. These are the chapters, and this is a number we need to copy. So, as always, we go here for Gutenberg Spiegel. So, and MTSP library, we check that. So this is our library. We put a book in there. This is an older version. I'll make an update so this is getting easier. This was our number, and it was Nietzsche Wissenschaften. And that's what we need. So no. And this creates a book. Loads the chapters and finishes it. Here we are, the small mistakes, but these are the chapters. The first, this was empty, and then there is a text. And go next. Here, this is a crazy setup, a poem-like style. And we can look up the source and look whether this is proper. Yes. So, and I made pages for all these, in the parser for all these headlines here, I put in pages on different hierarchies. So, therefore you see pages on hierarchy here. Then my pages have no special hierarchy, but can be done. But I didn't do it. That's it. Get all the stuff for your mood board and as substance of your reading. So, of course, now you can edit. This is my comment. You can highlight these things, and we can identify by software which kind of, whether you have it highlighted, and then we can give it a special importance. If you highlight it in blue, green, and so on, you can work with it. And this can be comments. Can put that. I don't know whether I have a style, so I have a style MTP comment, and we can filter that then as well. Okay, so if we want, as always, if we want to take this then to our work, then we simply put it here and open it again. There we are. Good. That's it. See you in the next video.